Hey good people, have you ever wondered how I got these locks? Y'all, I got some vintage footage from when I first started these babies. So, let me warn you, I look a mess. But here we go. I'm excited guys. Today is June 19th and it's like 5 o'clock in the evening and I was just like, you know what, why am I waiting to lock my hair? Let's do it. Now, this is my hair length. I have not measured it at all. I washed it with clarifying shampoo, with a moisturizing shampoo, and then I conditioned it. I've been wanting to lock for years, literally years, and I finally got the balls to do it. So I'm gonna braid to about right here, and then I'm going to twist the rest of the way down. And I was gonna wait to get a tool. Why? I'm just gonna do what I do. And I bet you it'll come out cute. Well, hopefully it comes out cute. Let's see how long it takes me. Okay guys, so I started by separating a section of hair. I wasn't too particular when it came to my parts. I just didn't want them to look too raggedy. So I tried to make them as neat as I thought was necessary. And I did try to make my locks small. I did not want them to be too thick. And so I was more concerned with the part ratio so that they wouldn't grow into thicker locks. Once I had the desired section parted off, I then began to braid a few strokes down. I didn't braid too far down. I just wanted to give it a tighter foundation. But then once I braided a little bit down, I two-strand twist the rest of the hair. By the way, I use 0 products to start my locks. Not a gel, not a beeswax, nothing. I use 0 products, which was the ultimate plus in starting it this way, using this method. I didn't have to use anything. I started with damp hair and I did spray once my hair dried out. I sprayed some water on it, but other than that, 0 products. Okay, so I'm going to show you again on the other section exactly what I did. This one is a little bit more detailed. So I start by braiding. Like I said before, I did not braid for too long. I just wanted to give it a tighter, more secure foundation. And then once I braided down a little bit, I just went straight into a 2-strand twist. And that was it. This is what gave me the locks you now see today. This is it, guys. It's that simple. Anyone can do it. Anyone. I finished my hair last night. It took me approximately 16 hours. Tried to go as small as I thought would look nice. I'm excited. I hope I have a lot of density to my hair. I don't want my hair to look thin. That's my only concern. So I'm hoping that with the size that they are, that my hair will look really full when they grow out. Not so much the size of the actual lock, but just like I want it to like have a lot of hair on my head. Like I don't want them to be thin and straggly. And this one is, I can already tell, rebellious. Everybody else is curled up and chilling. This one's like, no, let me out of here. It's cute though. Ugly face wearer. I hope you guys enjoyed this little throwback video, just in case you were curious to see where I started. So yeah, guys, I didn't start with a head full of these locks that you see today. It took time, it took patience, and I just stuck it out. Hopefully you guys will too. Let this be an inspiration to you if you're having any doubts. If not, I'm telling y'all, go for it. All right, good people. Until next time, bye.